Luncheon with Daelyn, tasty and sweet, making different recipes every time we meet. Sometimes messy, sometimes neat. Tastes so good it'll knock you off your feet.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Luncheon with Daelyn.
Season 2, episode 1. What are we making today, boo?
We're making today, I say bacon, egg, and cheese.
On blueberry pancakes.
Yep, on blueberry pancakes.
Okay, guys, so the ingredients that we're using is the buttermilk complete pancake mix. Now, if you get the regular, you will have to add milk and your eggs. So we've gotten a complete. Then we have our blueberries as well as our eggs, cheese, and then Pam for the pancakes when we make those. And of course our bacon. So we've already heated our electric griddle up to 350. So we're gonna go ahead and place the bacon on the electric griddle. Go ahead, Bill.
Is it hard?
Yes, so be careful. There you go. A little more. There you go.
Woo! I was scared. What do we need to put, Mommy?
We gotta wait. We're gonna wait for the bacon to finish, then we're gonna do the eggs, then we're gonna do the pancakes.
Mommy?
Yes.
Can we put a song while we wait for this?
Of course we can.
Yep, and we can dance to it.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put the egg on the griddle. Go ahead, Bill.
I'm scared. That scared me. Woo! That scared me.
Go ahead and do the other one.
I don't know how to do
It's okay. It's from the bacon. Go ahead and crack it.
Oh! Woo!
Now, while since our eggs and bacon are done, we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese.
I cannot open it. I didn't open it, Mom.
Go ahead.
Ah!
And then we're gonna set it to the side after the cheese melts a little, and then we're gonna make our pancakes, our blueberry pancakes. Go ahead.
Yeah!
Go ahead and put the bacon on. Not yet, though. The bacon.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
You're just trying to move it.
Okay, go ahead and grab the egg.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
You got it?
I don't got it. Maybe
You need help?
kind of stuck. Oh, yeah. I just wanted you to put it in
Okay.
here.
All right, we'll put that down so then you can.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go ahead and make our
Mix.
blueberry pancakes.
Yep. Blueberry
So take
pancakes.
a spoonful, boo. Go ahead and take a spoonful.
Mhm.
Take a spoonful. Okay.
Drop it, Mommy.
Add some more.
That looks good.
In the same spot. Add some more.
Mom, I got it. I'm trying to do it in the same spot.
Okay, now make another one.
Okay, never scoop.
No, another spot. You keep going to the same spot. All right, then let me have it. So you want to let the pancakes stay on the griddle for 60 to 90 seconds. And then we'll be able to flip them. Okay?
Mommy, can I count them?
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many pancakes do we have?
We have 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're making 4.
How old are you?
I am 4. Guess what, guys? I'm turning 5 at my birthday.
When is your birthday?
March 29th.
Good girl.
We can listen to a song while we wait for these. Yeah. Ooh. I don't want to put my hand on that. It's hot. Right, Mommy? It's hot. So you have to wait till it cools down. So I'm gonna pat it. I'm already done.
All right, let's check on this one.
Let's check. This one is kind of ready. All right, let's get out the way and pat it. Pat it. We always have to pat the pancakes when we're trying to make it. Because if you put your hand on it,
Let's go ahead and do that one.
if you put your hand on it, you'll hurt yourself. That's dangerous. It's dangerous, Mommy, right?
Yeah.
That's dangerous. It's dangerous to put your hot hand on. Mommy, remember I fall on the chair? Alright. That's it. I squished it hard. Hard enough. So the pancakes are going to be very squishy because we're patting it very squishy. Oh my gosh. This pancake right here, it looks like the other ones right here.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our sandwich together.
I'm gonna do that.
This one. Get that.
Whoa!
Don't touch.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Guys, I'm gonna like this sandwich. It's gonna taste very good when I eat it.
Oh, you know that already, huh?
Yeah, I know that already.
Okay.
It looks delicious. It looks delicious, Trisha.
Yeah, that's your sandwich.
That's my sandwich
Yes.
and that's yours.
Yes, because you sneezed on this one.
So I get to eat it?
So remember, you can always take.
Mommy,
Yes.
I sneeze it. That means I get to eat it?
Yes.
Oh.
You can always use syrup or your own toppings that you choose to use.
Keep talking.
So we're gonna go ahead and use some syrup and drizzle it on top.
That looks delicious. Delicious.
You ready to try it, boo?
Yeah, I'm ready to try it.
Hot?
Mom, we don't eat it yet.
Okay.
We need to wait for mine to cool down.
You try that one, boo. It's okay. Try that one.
Mmm. Tastes good.
Thumbs up?
Yeah, thumbs up. I really like it. Alright guys, that's it for our video. Guys, subscribe to all my videos that I did. And
Don't forget.
Don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe.
And like and comment.
And like and comment if you want to see more videos of me. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Luncheon with Daelyn.
Tasty and sweet. Making different recipes every time we meet. Sometimes messy, sometimes neat. Tastes so good, it'll knock you off your feet.
Bye.
Bye.
Check out my apron and hat.
To purchase, please comment in the comment section below. And more Luncheon with Daelyn merchandise coming soon.
Yep, it's coming soon. And you guys are gonna wear it. And see it. Hey guys.
Go ahead.
Today we're on Mom.
Daelyn.
Don't know. It's exciting.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome to
Welcome to
season 2,
season 2,
episode 1
episode 1
of
of Luncheon with Daelyn.
what are we making today?
So exciting.
What are we
Today
making
we're making, can you say it? Bacon, egg, and cheese
On
on the berry pancakes.
blueberry pancakes.
Blueberry pancakes.
So Daelyn's gonna go ahead and spray our skillet with Pam. Turn it this way so that the pancakes don't get stuck on the skillet. Spray.
Oh, got it.
You need help?
I need some help.
Okay. All right. That's not
It's a
work.
little empty.
Yeah, on the food.
Sneeze on the food. We made the best thing ever.
You got some food on your mouth. Is it good? Yeah, you just stuffed your mouth.